What's up guys, I'm Anunay and this is how to get the OnePlus Fnatic wallpaper. First open up your settings, go to utilities, gaming mode and click on Fnatic mode. Tap on the logo 5 times. This will open up a text box and type alwaysfnatic. See the magic yourself. These wallpapers look pretty cool, as you can see by the examples. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope this video helped and expect more OnePlus content. I know I'm not that consistent, but this is just some tricks I find and I'm gonna put it up over here. Follow me on Twitter and OnePlus Forum, that's where I'm active. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.